Yes, that's me. You're probably wondering how it happened. The quarter had just ended. I still hadn't brought the documents to my accountant. Invoices, receipts, everything, everywhere. Shit, I ran for the bus. In the end, I could use some proper workout. And then, boom. I had a voice. Connect with your accountant using efactura.nl. And stop running with your documents. Your accountant will take it from there. And you can train for your health and pleasure. He was right. In one place I have my invoices, expenses, hours and mileage. And my accountant has access to everything 24/7. And finally, I have time to lift real weights. eFaktura.nl. Use professional tools.